Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are going to solve a math question that confuses a lot of people. Let me ask you first, can you solve it? If you think you know the answer, drop it in the comments. Now, many people get this question wrong because they use an incorrect method. Here's what they do. They solve 7 minus 9 and get negative 2. And then again, inside the parenthesis, 9 minus 7 equals 2. And they multiply 2 negative 2 to get negative 4. But this answer is completely wrong. Why? Because it ignores the order of operations, also known as the PEMDAS rule. According to PEMDAS, we solve problems in this order: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have the same priority and are solved from left to right. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. Most importantly, multiplication always comes before addition and subtraction. Now let's solve this question the correct way. First, solve the parentheses. Parentheses start 9 minus 7, parentheses over. Inside the parentheses, 9 minus 7 is give us 2. Now the expression becomes 7 minus 9 times 2. Since multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, we do it first. Negative 9 times positive 2 gives a negative 18. Now solve the final step. 7 minus 18 gives us negative 11. So the correct answer is negative 11. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to like and share this video. It might help someone avoid a common math mistake.